I'm going to show you how to build your very own do-it-yourself fountain or water feature. It's perfect for a balcony or a patio, just to have that peaceful sound of moving water. It's just so delightful for the summer. I took this old blue bucket that I had and some plastic plant saucers and pots, drilled some holes, and hooked it up with an aquarium pump, and it's just very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So here is the pump. That is 1500 liters per hour, 25 watt. You can actually see inside there's the motor, and it has these nice suction cups on the bottom, and then basically you can change the flow rate by just turning that. So if you just want just a little bit, just have it a little bit open, but you can always go all the way to the full. And then we obviously have cord, and then it comes with some tubing. I've been using this all summer, so it has a little bit of algae inside, and this is one of the attachments, so I will screw that on for you. So the pump can just be submerged like that, and the suction cups will have a stick to the bottom. Plug it in. Do the lowest setting. So this is the lowest setting possible. Right there. And then the highest setting. And I think this setting will be perfect for our needs. So now I just need to prop up the tubing. So I used an old wastebasket, and then I put an old ice cream tube that I cut some holes in so I could thread the tubing into it. It's kind of hard because it wants to float, but we'll put some weight on it. So here I thread the tube into the holes, and then I put this old plant saucer filled with rocks with a few holes so the water can drain out under the rocks, another plant pot, and a little saucer with holes in them. Thread the tube through it all, add some rocks there, and it's pretty easy. Just add some more decorative rocks. And there we go, and the moment of truth now is turning on the water, and let's see how that, needs a little bit of adjusting, but that's okay. And spraying water everywhere, so it's kind of fun to get everything right, play around with it. And now just adding some creeping Jenny plants around there just to give it some color. And look at that, we have this nice babbling brook sound, this perfect water feature, and just adding this little guy for a finishing touch. It's actually for steeping tea, but he looks nice and relaxed, as I want to be out on this balcony, just cooling off in the summer. This project was so simple, just drilling holes in some plastic pots and saucers, and then picking up that aquarium pump. If you want to get one, I have it linked in the video description. But this was super easy, super fun. The only thing for maintenance was just adding a little bit of vinegar to the water just to prevent algae, but it really wasn't a big deal because the water just drains into the bucket, so super simple. And here it is in a rainstorm, so I really do enjoy gardening, as you can see here on the balcony with all these plants. Almost as much as I enjoy hiking. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.